We're taking the ferry to Bainbridge Island to meet Pia the Peacekeeper, our next troll. We've got rain in the forecast, but I think we can beat it. Riding the Seattle Bainbridge ferry offers really great views of the Seattle skyline, and it's a great way to relax and enjoy the scenery around Puget Sound before you set out on your troll hunt. After a 35-minute ferry ride, we arrived on Bainbridge Island. Then it was about a 1.5-mile drive to Sakai Park. There's a dirt and gravel path to Pia about 100 feet from the parking lot. Crafted from recycled wood and seated in a ring of trees, Pia the Peacekeeper represents a collaboration between artists, local organizations, and volunteers. This 18-foot-tall sculpture is part of Thomas Dambo's Northwest Trolls project. It celebrates Scandinavian and indigenous traditions while promoting environmental sustainability. Pia embodies a playful yet strong presence that's inviting and intimidating, according to Dambo. I took the scenic route back, driving north across the hills and through the thick forests, eventually taking the ferry from Kingston to Edmonds for the trip home. Well, we didn't beat the rain, but we wrap up our Pacific Northwest troll hunt in our next episode. The last one lives just down the street from our house. We'll introduce you to our neighbor, Frankie Feetsplinters, at the National Nordic Museum. Stay tuned. It's windy out here.